To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now, go to your profile page. Then, tap Edit Profile. Swipe up to scroll down. At the bottom, tap Edit Your About Info. Swipe up to scroll down again. And find the option labeled Other Names. Then tap Add Other Name. Now, tap the drop-down menu and select the type of name you wish to add. Then, enter your alternate name. If you want this name to appear at the top of your profile, check the box labeled Show at Top of Profile. After that, tap Save to apply the changes. Your new name will be added. Now, go to your profile. Refresh the page. You will then see your added name displayed beneath your previous name. This helps others recognize you more easily, and enhances your profile's clarity. So that's how you can add an alternate name on your Facebook profile.